Civil Engineering Completed Risk Insurance, CECR, is a type of insurance that protects civil engineering structures, such as bridges, roads, tunnels, and dams, from damage after they are completed. This is also known as completed work insurance or upon completion insurance. Civil insurance, CECR, usually covers loss or damage caused by 1. Natural disasters, such as earthquakes, floods, fires, and hurricanes. 2. Accidental events, such as vehicle collisions, plane crashes, and explosions. Material defects, such as cracks, leaks, and collapse. This can help protect against financial losses that can result from damage to the structure, as well as repair costs and business interruption. Following are some of the main benefits of civil insurance, CECR. 1. Financial protection. Civil insurance, CECR, can help protect you from the financial costs of damage to your civil engineering structures. 2. Peace of mind. Knowing that your structure is insured can give you peace of mind and allow you to focus on other aspects of your business. 3. Compliance. In some cases, civil insurance, CECR, may be required by law or contract. Civil Engineering Completed Risk Insurance, CECR, is an insurance policy that provides coverage for loss or damage to civil engineering structures after they are completed. This structure may include 1. Roads and bridges. 2. Tunnel, dam, for power generation. 5. Water treatment plant. 6. Other infrastructure projects. Insurance policies can be customized to cover a variety of risks, including 1. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes. 2. Accidents such as fire, explosion, and collision. 3. Acts of vandalism. It is important to carefully review the policy wording before purchasing insurance to ensure that it meets your needs. Here are some of the advantages of having civil insurance, CECR. 1. Peace of mind. Knowing that your building is insured can give you peace of mind and help you sleep better at night. 2. Financial protection. If your structure is damaged, civil insurance can help you cover repair or replacement costs. 3. Reduced liability. If someone is injured or killed as a result of damage to your structure, civil insurance, CECR, can help protect you from liability. Civil insurance, CECR, is usually purchased by owners of civil engineering structures. However, they may also be purchased by the contractor who built the structure as a way to protect themselves from liability.